breakfast time. The girls are molting. Some of them don't have tail feathers. Just one. Oh, they look in such bad shape. Poor things. Well, hello peeps. Today we are going to be cleaning. I am going to be cleaning the chicken coop. Doing a fall cleanup just to get ready for everything to be clean for the winter. It's been a nice long summer and now it's time to refresh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in here and, oh, by the way, welcome back to my subscribers. And if you're new here, hello. So, anyways, I am going to get in the coop and, give it a good spray down with some vinegar solution and some diatomaceous earth. I've already cleaned the coop from the poop, so you don't have to watch. And then we're going to put in some new bedding and give it a good brush down with the broom to get all the spider webs off. We get pretty heavy spiders out here. We call this spider season because everywhere you look you can see cobwebs floating in the air. So anyway, let's get on with this project and make the ladies happy. Give them a nice clean home. Let's get busy. And I just wanted to, one more thing. I wanted to apologize in advance for the camera angles that I'll probably be shooting on this because it's kind of hard to get inside the chicken coop. So, just the basics of it. It's just a quick video just to remind you to give your chicken coop a good fall cleaning or spring cleaning. I do both. Just clean it all out, spray it down, diatomaceous earth, clean off the chicken bars, the roosting bars, and put it all back together. So yeah, that's just what the video is, just a reminder to clean the coop. So okay, on with it. So here you can see we got some cobwebs collecting. We like to call it spider season here. So they start to come in about this time of year, and of course during the spring, but right now they're really bad. Of course during the spring, and right now they're really bad. So we're just going to give this a good brushing down and wiping off just to start all over and clean it up a bit. So the chickens are molting right now. My chickens are molting right now, so we are not getting any eggs, and there are feathers everywhere. If I wanted to make a chicken soup for Halloween, I could be a chicken. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and give this a good wipe down.
just to tell you, I do not like spiders. It's kind of knocking the cobwebs down, kind of get me creeped out because I just saw a big black one. But as far as I know, the spiders around here are pretty harmless. So, anyways, so I got this spider webs cleaned off. So now I'm going to go ahead and spray back in the corner sections of the coop with some vinegar and water solution with a little Dawn on it. I guess that's supposed to help with the mites if you have any, just what I've read. So go ahead and get that going. Oh, spiders! That drowns them out, doesn't it? At least I'd rather spiders than mites, right? Well, there you have it. It's all cleaned up. The still needs a little bit of paint on the door for the roosting box. I'll do that later. Make sure I get that spray painted down because I don't want the metal to rest on that. But for now, everything's all cleaned up. They got a wreath for the fall, and they're ready to go. So thanks for stopping by, and hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, or make a comment. Let me know how you clean up your chicken coop. Take care. Bye.